doing something illegal in there?
No.
What's keeping you locked in there? And please, don't you give me the constipation excuse.
He who carries the load knows his weight.
Oh my God. Your mom? I have never met her. I can't wait to see who is prettier.
You wait till you meet her.
It runs in the family. We have German ancestry.
Du bist Deutsch?
Yeah.
Look here, I don't want to be a part of any of your low scams. Okay, just get out of here and don't you ever come back.
What? What are you saying? My shop is burning? Oh my God.
Hey, madam, how?
My son.
Please, how? Tell her my shop is